Guys, welcome and welcome back to How to DIY to save a dime. I'm not going to edit that. I'm going to be showing you how I replant this repot this snake plant. That's an air plant that I got. If you've seen the unboxing of this is my new snake plant baby I got from Amazon. I'm obsessed with snake plants. Like, I love snake plants. I can put them everywhere. I love all the different variations of them. Today I'm going to show you how I'm repotting them. I just did a video on how to do quick and easy drainage holes in ceramic pots, concrete pots, or whatever type of pot you have. So I'm getting ready to now place my plant inside this pot, and I'm so excited. This is going to go in my office, and she's ready for her new home. So let's get started. First off, you want to find a pot. Now with snake plants, they like to kind of be tight. They don't like to be really loose. That doesn't mean that you pack the soil tight. It's just that the pot that they're in doesn't have to be too much bigger than the pot that they've been grown in from the nursery. So you can kind of see that these are not a big deal, but when you put it in, you can see it is a difference. So yeah, just a little bit bigger. That way they can grow and grow healthy. You don't want them to get too loose in the pot. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is loosen up your dirt in your pot, and then you want to actually, I'll just take and let some of this go right in here, because you want to have it like halfway full in there. And that's what I'm doing, is putting the dirt in there and kind of loosen up the snake plant inside here. And I'm going to go get some extra soil, so I'll be right back. Okay, I have my extra soil, and I'm going to just stick that in, and this looks really dry, but it's okay because we're going to wet this all around. We just want to make sure it's in here nice and tight, but you don't want to pack it too tight. It's time for me to buy some more soil because I got a couple other plants. I got another plant baby coming, two that are going to be for my bedroom, some big ones, and then I have to repot a pothos that I'm going to share with you guys how to propagate pothos and keep making plants off of one plant. So we're just going to go in. Let me go in and put all the soil around. I'll be right back. All right, so basically I'm going in and feeling it. You want to press down a little firm because you want the roots to have something to hold on to. And you know, I'm anal about my plants being in the middle. I can't stand when people repot plants and it's sticking off to one side, and I don't know, I'm just real anal about that. And I'm gonna get some more sand. I used to take and top off the top of my plants with sand. The sand helps the plant from getting the little bugs and stuff. The bugs do not like that sand. So it's really good for the top of the plants when you have the sand on top. I might have a little, let me go see, I'll be right back, guys. I have a little, this might work. This is soil cover for interior houseplants, and this is really good from stopping the bugs, and it gives it a different look. So I'll put that on top, and you can do the same. It comes in like orange, it comes in white, so many different pretty variations, just to make the plant more pleasing with your decor. I gotta get some more sand, I gotta get some more soil, I gotta get a lot of things because I love my plant babies. Like, this is therapy for me, dealing with the plants. And that little air plant over there, I got that free with this plant. So I got to figure out how to love on them because I never had one before. If you have air plants, leave a comment below and tell me how you take care of it. I hear from the research that I've read, that they are very low maintenance plants, and it's easy to take care of. So I'm excited about that. And the sand also is good for succulents, snake plants, because snake plants do not like to get water often. So if you have a problem with killing plants, the snake plant will be your best plant baby. Your best plant baby, because you will definitely not have to worry about watering it often, or if you miss watering, because these can go 2 weeks to a month without water, depending on the schedule. It's like you have a baby and you put it on a schedule, and that's kind of when it looks for the feeding. So you can put on a schedule 2 weeks, you can put on a schedule once a month. It's up to you. And you see how the sand just makes it look so gorgeous, and it actually looks like it's not a real plant. Because most people, it's like, what is that? That's not soil. Isn't that gorgeous? So guys, that is how you repot a snake plant. And this baby is gonna go in my office. It is Mother's Day. It is dreary. I'm doing what I wanna do, what makes me happy on today. And I am going to show you this once the sun comes out. It is raining here. It's really dark outside, so it looks dark in here. And so I'm gonna show you this in my office when the sun comes back, and I'll add this to the video so you can see it. So yes, I definitely need to get some more sand because I want to top all my plants off with this beautiful sand. And that is it. Hey, so here she is. This is her repotted, and I'm loving her. And she's on the right side of my office. And yeah, this has brought some light to the office. You will see many more videos about plants because I'm getting a lot of requests about plants and teaching people about plants and the importance of having plants in your home to purify the air instead of buying air purifiers. Plants are the natural way to go, if I haven't said it in this video. So yeah, this is she, and this is the pot that I put the holes in. I'm gonna also edit that video and have that video ready. So if you find nice fancy pots and you cannot figure out how to put drainage holes in them, I got a quick and easy way to do that. So I don't know if you see that video before this, but this is her, and she is in my office, and I love it. Look, I love it. It's like she's looking out at the backyard and literally getting a lot of sunlight, and it is like 8 o'clock in the morning, so the sun hasn't really came up yet. Like you can still see the shade around the backyard and in the deck, but then it's like light, so it will get brighter in here. Now these can take low light, medium light, or bright light, but bright light will definitely allow them to flourish even more and they grow a little faster. So I hope that tip helps. I am not an expert, I'm learning as well, meaning like I've been doing this plant thing for some years, but I'm learning a lot of great new things. And if you have any information that you want to give me, put it below. If you have any comments for me, put it below. If you're new to my family, make sure that you join the family by subscribing and hitting that notification bell, because that will alert you every time I load a new video, even when I put up bonus videos, because I will be doing that often because I have a lot of footage I need to get out to you guys and I don't want you guys to miss it. So from that, I will see you guys later, Gators.